miter saw on this gutter. Removable table. We're gonna put some hangers to keep the gutter in place. And we have a miter. The plywood's super long and the flashing is super tight. There's like no space. So we're doing the best we can, but there's no soffit. And the rafter tails and they're different sizes. So pretty much impossible to make this fit properly. This corner of the porch is already low on the hill. We're fighting the plywood and the flashing is super tight. So we tried to go up there, but the plywood sticks out. We're doing the best we can, but the rafter tails are different lengths. So almost impossible to make this gutter pop in properly with different size rafters. So right there's not much we can do. We have a downspout here, gutters all the way up over here. It's gonna be squatted even more. So we got a little gap right there. So right in there, like there's no space, zero space. Here's a top view. So it's filling up with water right there on this corner. And not much we can do. Not much we can do here. We got a downspout on both sides here and there. Can you guess why new construction is not my favorite? Just guess. Just keep guessing. You got it. It feels like we're in Egypt here. We got the straw. At least we got the straw. Brackets every rafter tail, every 2 feet. Very strong. And if we put a level right there, ice and snow is probably gonna be hitting the gutter. Good thing it's 032. Personally sealed all the corners, so no callbacks. The way we did true 3-inch outlets for the round downspouts. Flashing is white and plywood is different lengths. So around the house, it's impossible to make it pretty. Flashing is extremely tight and really difficult to get the gutters behind. It's 24 gauge or something. It's incredible. This corner here is completely saw cut. No hand mitering at all. So the true 45. Quick walk around how it turned out with the leaf traps. Standard fascia gutter. 032 heavy duty. This is the side of the house. There's some stone that needs to be installed. We left the downspout in the garage. That was pretty tall right there. I would watch this area right here because this is probably gonna squat quite a bit. So this is all done here.